What's up, guys? Welcome back. So it's been some time since I actually uploaded some new content for you guys. However, guys, Kodi has been under strain and not many new add-ons have been released. Well, today I've got a great new add-on. It's actually the Subzero add-on, guys. It's been around for some time and has been updated as well. So guys, you're getting better sources, better scrapings, and better links now. So most of you guys know this add-on, but I'm just going to do a quick rundown on this add-on. So you're going to click on Subzero. So at the top you got search, documentaries, kids, Walt Disney, kickboxing, MMA, YouTube, box sets, movies, movie scraper, TV show scrapers, retro TV, music, radio, stand-up comedy. So guys, this is a great add-on. It's got a mixture of everything. So you've got content from the 30s, we're going right up to the 90s, and then we've got the 20th century and 21st century as well. So guys, let's go into movies. So as you see, guys, if you click on the movies tab, it opens up. You've got good couple of folders. So you've got the 30s, the 40s, the 50s, the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. It's got some good content, guys. So let's try the 90s. So as we see, guys, you've got some old favorite good quality movies. And in terms of scraping sources, let's try one of these out, guys. So we're trying that. Guys, remember, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments down below. So we're just waiting for it to actually load up, guys. For some reason that link is not working, guys, so let's try something else. Let's try Pulp Fiction. As well, so we've got issues with this folder. Let's try the Home Alone. So as we see, guys, it's one click play and it starts up. There is some links that do work, guys, and there is some links that don't work, but remember that it's an old movie and scraping sources from the net is difficult as well. But as we see, it starts up. You've got not HD quality, as this movie was not released in HD, but you will get a good quality stream out of this, guys. So I'm just gonna stop it there, guys. So we're gonna go back out from that. So let's go into documentaries. So we've got documentary heaven, which is a subfolder, and we've got top documentaries. So we're gonna go into top documentaries. So as we see, guys, we've got the 9/11, we've got biography, we've got comedy, conspiracy, drugs, economy, we've got environment. So there's tons and tons of folders here, guys. However, let's try science. So it brings up a list of science documentaries. So let's try the first human. I'm sure these actually scrape sources from YouTube, guys, so this could be a great add-on. As you see, it starts up immediately and it works flawlessly, and you're getting HD quality streams as well, guys. So I'm gonna stop it there. As you see guys, this is a one-click add-on and it works quite well. Obviously there is some links that do not work due to servers that it actually scrapes sources from being down, or the links are broken, but however majority of these stuff do work. So try it out, check how it works for you. Let me know what you think about this add-on in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my content. Guys, it's difficult to load content now. As you know, YouTube is clamping down on anyone that's uploading Kodi content due to the fact that copyright protection, and you've got big movie companies trying to hunt us down. So guys, your support is much appreciated. So let's get to installing this add-on guys. So you're going to go to settings, file manager, you're going to click on add source, and where it says none you're going to enter the source guys. So I'm just going to cancel. So as you see guys, it's myrazor.me/repo/repo. Sorry, myrazor.me/repo guys. Put up a tongue twister there. Right, and then you're just going to give this a name down here. I've called it Subzero. You're going to click OK. You're going to go back to the main menu. You're going to go to add-ons. You're going to click on the box in the top left corner. You're going to click on install from zip file, and you're going to click on Subzero. So guys, the older version was I think 1.0.25. As we see, the new version is 2.0.2. so you'll click on that. You'll give a few seconds to load or update, and as you see guys, Subzero repository added. So once we're done there, we'll go to install from repository. You'll click on the Subzero repository. You'll go to video add-ons, and right at the top guys, we've got Subzero version 2.0.2. so you'll click on that, and where mine says uninstall, yours will say install. So guys, you'll click install, and once done you can click open. Guys, it's a great add-on. It works quite well. There's a lot of one-click play. However, when you're actually searching for new content, so new movies, new series, you'll need to use the movie scrapers tab or the TV shows scrapers tab. So if we actually go into that, so what this actually does, it scrapes sources from the internet itself to actually give you the content guys. So it's not one click play, it's scraping sources. So we're going to click on popular movies. So as we see guys, it opens up new content. You got Deadpool, Dark Knight. So there's tons of new content here from 2015, 2016, 2017, right up to 2018. So we're going to try one out quickly to show you what it does. Guys, remember, every new add-on or update on add-on that actually comes out, it's great to have on your Kodi device, so that whenever you want to stream content, you have different add-ons. If one fails, the next one can be used. So having good add-ons and more of these add-ons on your device will actually be a benefit to you. So as you see guys, it's loading sources. You've got Real Debrid links, so obviously there you will need a Real Debrid account. However guys, if we scroll a bit down, you will have normal direct links that you can actually use. So you got HD popcorns, you've got Google links. So let's try the Google link guys. So it's a 1080p link. Okay, see, as you see guys, it skipped that link. It's gonna go on to the next link to try and load up. Guys, this is in real time. I'm not editing or chopping the video, so you're actually getting what I'm actually doing on the PC itself. So as you see guys, it does work, it does start up. However, I'm gonna stop it right here. So it's a great add-on guys. So I hope this add-on helps you guys. However guys, once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe tab, hit the notification bell, so when I bring in new content, you actually be the first to come up with it. Guys, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next upload.